Now that we've got the developer tab active, we can start building or designing the form itself. Now we're going to start out with more of the traditional stuff that you'd find inside of a form. Text inside there, layout within the form, and really just the general structure of the form itself. And then we'll take a look at the various controls that you can add to the form. So first off, and I'm going to make this really quick, your form's going to change and evolve based on what you're trying to do and the audience you're giving it to. Here, I've just got some simple text. So all I've done is just type in some text in here, company party. I made it bold so it stands out a little bit. I put a quick little blurb there. Hey, please take a quick moment, fill out the form. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. And then I've built a table. I'm anticipating that I'm going to have 2 columns worth of data here, okay, to build and lay out this form. The first column is going to be our labels. That's really it, just labels. Full name, t-shirt size, comments, meal preference, are you bringing a guest? Just labels, that's it. So let me put a big L over there. There's our label section, okay, and that's all that is. This area here is going to be where the users of the form, those that we send this out to, are going to be filling it out. So again, the table is just there to help me structure and create a layout to this form. And all I've done, let me delete this out. All I've done is gone to my Insert tab, Table, created 2 columns, and I've got 6 rows because I'm going to have 6 things for them to fill out. And that's it. Got my nice little table there. I'll kind of change the width of this column. Just grab that divider line there. Give me my labels there on the left, my controls, or where the user is going to fill out their data, on the right. And then the last thing I got there is just a closing statement. Maybe I'll keep that in there. After completing the form, please email a copy off to your manager, yada, yada, yada. Whatever we want to include into the form structure and layout itself. So that's it. I've just designed my form. I'll save that. And now the next step is to start adding control fields and labels to this form. So before we do the fields themselves, the controls, let's go ahead and put in some labels here. So I'm going to have full name. We'll have, let's see, what else do we have inside there? We had full name, we had t-shirt size, we had department, right? Department. We had the meal preference. We had bringing a guest, question mark, and we'll have additional comments. All right, that's just my labels, and I can maybe start to fiddle around with the layout of this table. I can change the row heights or column widths, or whatever I need to do to bring a little more design and structure to this thing. And I'm going to grab all those labels there. I'll go up to my layout tab, and I'm just going to center align those just so it's nice and clean. You can change colors, you can do whatever you want. But designing the form, just getting the basic structure out there, the basic layout of the form, and that's it. So try this out. Make sure you download the example file. It comes with this video, 19wordform.docx. Download that. Drop in your labels. Get the form ready. And whatever else you want to do. If you want to add color or whatever, I encourage you to do whatever you want to spice this thing up. Okay? Talked all about tables and formatting those tables earlier, so try it out. Once you got that, jump to the next video. We'll talk about dropping in the controls themselves.